Hello and welcome to the third tutorial of our Year 7 Basics Fusion 360. You should have followed our video 1 and video 2 to create the square and the circle. In this video, I'm going to run through how to create this steps or stairs image. So we want to go back to our Fusion. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to save my work as stairs so that we don't lose anything, and then put that in the Year 7 Design Technology folder. Okay, so once we have saved our work, we want to create a new sketch. So I go up to my sketch and I'll select the plane that is on the right. So if we have a look at the image here, we can see that it has like 3 steps up. And so I'm going to go back to Fusion and I'm just going to use my line tool. So starting in the origin, I'm going to come across and then go up and then just roughly make the shape that we wanted in. When we go back to the origin, that should finish and it should turn blue here, which means that that shape is connected. Now we want to get the right dimension. So we're going to use the sketch dimension tool, which is this one with the 2 lines and the blue arrow. And then we are going to hit D on the keyboard and we want to select some of the lines. So once we have selected the sketch dimension tool, I'm going to have a look here and we're going to start up on the top so we can see that it is 40 mils. So we go back to Fusion, I'm going to select this top one and I'm going to bring that out and click. And then we should be able to edit that distance. So 40 mils, and it's going to change it into that one. So we'll do all of the top ones. The next one is 30, and then we have a 50. So going back to Fusion, select that, bring it up and try to keep it in line. We're going to make that one 30. And then this one here is going to be 50. Now I have changed those dimensions to be what we want them to be. I'm going to go back here and now we're going to do the upwards one. So we got 40, 25 and 25. So I'm still on my sketch dimension tool. So that is 40 and we have 25 and the last one was 25, which is already 25. So we have used the sketch dimension tool to get it into the shape that we want. So that is one way we can do it instead of using like a two-point rectangle tool or a circle tool. We can use the line tool and then sketch dimension that afterwards. So that's going to become more important as we go on. So we make sure that that is saved. And then we take a screenshot for that one. Make sure we're hovering over at the top here so you can see your name. And then I'll finish the sketch. And then we want to extrude that one out at 3 mils like we did with our other shapes. And if we have our movement square up the top here, if I hit home, it should move that around and you can see that that is a 3-dimensional shape now. And then we are also screenshotting that for our evidence. So we need to make sure that we are putting evidence of the 2D shape and the 3D shapes into our notebook. And back here, so what you're going to do now is you're going to have a go. So using all the skills that we have in these first 3 videos, you're also going to have a go at making the half ice cream cone image as well. So have a go at that one on yourself using the tools that we have learnt about so far in these tutorial videos.